2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play I Won't Back Down by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. Cool. This song is great. We don't have any bar chords, all open stuff. And basically we have two parts. We got the verses and we got the chorus. And the guitar solo is over the verse part. Okay, we got E minor, second, third finger, D major. Let's play this D. So let's not make it happy. Let's just do D. Basically, first finger on second G, third finger on third B. So we're muting the E string. To G major. First, two, and pinky. Third time, we're gonna go to C. First, second, third, and then back to E. D and G. Let's do that again. E, D, G. E, D, G. Now E, D, C. E, D. It's gonna take us to the chorus. So that's C, G, D. Okay. Let's see. Sorry, it's C, G, C. And then G, D. Do the chorus again. C, 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 G, D, G, C, G, D, G, C, G, D. And then we end with E minor, D, G. Back to verse. Muting. All downstrokes. C there. So yeah, the verses is downstrokes. and chorus. Ba-da-la-bum. This can be all downstrokes. It's just that first thing, that's a quick C, G, C there. Cool. Don't back down. Or I won't back down. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more great hits. See you then. Be safe.